Egg Masala Pav is a delicious twist to the traditional Pav Bhaji made with boiled eggs and spices available in every kitchen. This is one of my favorite egg dishes. Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are all doing good. I'm also doing fine here. Into the pan, add about 2 tablespoons of any non-flavored oil. Here I am using sunflower oil. 2 medium-sized onion, finely chopped, goes in. Saute well until it turns translucent, adding some salt. Here I am adding about half a bunch of coriander leaves. Add 3 green chilies, finely chopped. Half of a medium-sized capsicum, finely chopped, goes in. If possible, try not to avoid capsicum as it gives a nice flavor to the dish. Give it a mix every now and then. As powdered spices, we need 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of jeera powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Here I am adding a mix of normal red chili powder and Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon each, along with 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Keeping the flame low, add the powdered spices in and keep mixing until the raw smell goes away. Into this goes a smooth paste made of 4 garlic pods, about this much of ginger and 2 medium-sized tomatoes. I did this in 2 batches. Now we will cover and cook the tomatoes until it is fully done. Give it a mix every now and then. In the meantime, we will prepare the boiled eggs. Here I have taken 4 boiled eggs, separated the egg yolk from white and finely chopped the egg whites. You may also use an egg slicer to cut the eggs. Now that our tomatoes are done, I am adding the egg yolks and mixing it in the gravy. This will be helpful if you have picky eaters in your family. Into this I have added half a cup of water in total and let all of this cook for a couple of minutes. Now add the egg whites in. Add butter as per your preference and this can be transferred to a serving dish. Cut the pav into half, add some butter followed by a pinch of Kashmiri red chili powder, a pinch of Pav Bhaji masala or garam masala and some coriander leaves. Keep the pav on it and let it fry on one side. I am adding butter alone onto the other side. Let it fry for a minute or so Our egg masala pav is ready to be served. Hope you like this video. See you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.